Remembrance Day is a time to honor and to remember those who fought and died in the many wars and conflicts that have taken place over time. Isn't it strange that one way to get to peace seems to be to fight a war?
A good way for us to begin inspecting how we view the complexities of war, while being respectful of the many lives lost, is by asking ourselves this question. Whose stories about war get told and remembered?
Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say.
Plastic red pinned on fabric, wear upon our hearts the freedom in our hands from the bloodshed of soldiers' inconceivable wounds.
In Flanders fields, the poppies blow. Between the crosses, row on row.
What are your views on being a soldier in general? And how do you cope with the pressure and keep your mental health in check? As a student, I find this hard enough.
My views on being a soldier, well, it's not a job for everyone. It's physically taxing, long hours. However, it is incredibly rewarding. I've traveled all over Canada and the world, and I've seen both good things and bad things. I wouldn't change my job for anything, and I'm grateful to have had the opportunity to serve Canada.